Welcome to the world of industrial baking, a seamless, closed-loop process where millions of loaves are crafted daily with absolute consistency. But where does this journey begin? It all starts here in the golden wheat fields. After harvest, the grain travels to the mills. Here, modern technology meets traditional stone grinding principles to produce fine white flour, the soul of every loaf. Inside the factory, we witness a mechanical symphony. Every parameter, from temperature to humidity and belt speed, is closely monitored by a central system. Humans act as the conductors, ensuring this orchestra plays perfectly. Flour is drawn from massive silos. Now the magic happens. Mixing. Water, yeast, and flour collide. Under the power of robotic arms, the ingredients blend, and the yeast cultures are awakened for their vital mission. Continuous kneading develops the gluten network, the skeleton that gives bread its chew and structure. Observe the incredible elasticity of this massive dough batch as it pours out to begin its transformation. Despite automation, the human touch remains irreplaceable. They check the texture and temperature, ideally keeping it at 24 degrees Celsius. The dough then rests, allowing the gluten strands to relax before passing through the high-pressure extruder. The dough enters the factory's heart, the fermentation chamber. Here, in a controlled, misty environment, the yeast works at full capacity, releasing CO2 to make the dough rise and become airy. A close-up reveals thousands of tiny gas bubbles, signs of life within. Once sufficiently proofed, the massive block is divided into uniform spheres. Rounding machines shape them, preparing for the final form. The spheres are rolled flat and curled tight. This layering process is crucial for the texture of these baguettes. They line up perfectly on the belt, marching towards the heat. Before the oven, the bread must be scored. These cuts control expansion, preventing random tracks. We see a blend of skilled manual craftsmanship and the high precision of robotic water jets. The most mesmerizing moment, baking. Inside the massive tunnel oven, heat drives the steam upward. The bread expands to its full size. The Maillard reaction transforms the pale crust into a golden brown masterpiece, releasing that signature aroma. Fresh from the oven, but not ready for packaging, they must travel the giant spiral cooling tower. This journey releases excess moisture, ensuring a crispy crust and a perfect crumb structure. At the line's end, robotic arms rhythmically pack each loaf into bags. Speed and precision guarantee absolute hygiene. Boxed, palletized, and wrapped, they are ready to move. Trucks depart the warehouse, carrying fresh flavors to every corner of the country. Whether at dawn or dusk, the food supply chain never sleeps. Finally, the journey ends in your kitchen. From the wheat field to your dining table, a marvel of technology and tradition. Crispy, delicious, and ready for the perfect meal.